Hello children, now second class mathematics. Which chapter? 12th chapter, third part. In previous class 2, in part 1, part 2, this will be completed. Then exercise first bit completed. Now second bit B1 only. What is our 12th chapter? Division of number. Division of one number by another number. Division of one number by another number. Say spelling, division spelling children. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N, division. O-F of O-N-E-1, N-U-M-B-E-R, number. B-Y by A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another. N-U-M-B-E-R, number. Division of one number by another number. In previous class 2, this already completed. This part 1 and part 2 will be completed in previous class 2. Now part 3. See in that exercise problems 2, page number 97. Second bit B1. So in previous class 2, the total mangoes and first time will distributed and second time will distributed and remaining how many mangoes having, that like a already will done that. Next one, here distribute 20 marbles among 5 people equally. They are having 20 marbles. So in 5 peoples to equally how to will given? See here. Total number of marbles. How many marbles having total? 20. 20 marbles. 20 marbles having. Marbles distributed for the first time. So first time, so 5 people too will distributed only. So in each one only given. So how many will distributed here? 5. The first time 5 distributed. 5 marbles are distributed. So remaining how many marbles having? 15. 5 subtracting only. So 0 minus 5 directly not possible, will go to borrow 10 minus 5, 5. Here 1, 15. Okay, are you understand children? Remaining marbles 15. In that 15 marbles to distributed for the second time. Second time also will distributed. So how many having here? Second time how many will distribute? 5. Second time also 5 distributed. So remaining marbles. So how many marbles are remaining? So remaining marbles how many? So here 15 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0, 1. So remaining marbles 10. Next one. Marbles distributed for the third time. Third time also will given 5 marbles. And remaining marbles 10 minus 5 directly not possible, will take. So 0 minus 5 directly not possible, will take borrow, will become 10. 10 minus 5 how much children? 5. So marbles distributed for the fourth time. Fourth time how much will distributed? 5 only. So remaining marbles there 5 only. 5 minus 5, 0. So by distributing equally each one gets. So how many times will distributing? First time, second time, third time, fourth time. So each one get how many marbles? 4 marbles. Each one get 4 marbles. So the division form 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So 4 only each one get? Yes. Result of division what? 4. So are you understand, children? I repeat again. So total number of marbles. How many marbles having here? 20. Marbles distributed for the first time. First time they are distributed 5. Remaining marbles 15. Then marbles distributed for the second time. Second time also will distributed again 5. So remaining marbles 10. Marbles distributed for the third time. Third time also 5 will distributed. Remaining 5 only having. In that 5 to 4th time also in each one will distributed. So how many having? Remaining 0. So not having marbles. So by distributing equally, each one gets how many? 4. So the division form is 20 by 5 equals to 4. The division form 20 by 5 equals to 4. So result of division answer is what? 4. So 4 is writing here. Are you understand, children? Next one, see children here. Division is repeated subtraction. I am before in previous class 2 saying I am multiplication is repeated addition. I am saying that multiplication is repeated addition. Here what saying I am? Division. Division is repeated subtraction. Why you are seeing, children? Here to here, here to here. Repeatedly subtracted only. So that's why division is repeated subtraction. See example. 12 minus 3. How much? 9. 9 minus 3. 6. 6 minus 3. 3. 3 minus 3. 0. So here 12 by 3 equals to how much? 4. So how many times will distributed here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times will subtracting here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 12 minus 3. So 4 times 12 to 3, 3, 3, 3 will subtracting. So in 4 times will subtracting. So will come 0. So here 12 by 3 equals to 4. Are you understand? Next page. Open all of you. Next page, children. Page number 98. Distribute in groups. Write the division form. Rajani distributed 15 chocolates. Children, you like chocolates? Yes? Rajani distributed 15 chocolates among her 3 friends. You are also giving to your friends too? Yes? Yes. How many chocolates did she give to each friend? In each friend too, how many chocolates she gave? In each friend too, how many chocolates she distributed? See here. Total number of chocolates. How many chocolates having? 15 chocolates. The number of friend to whom chocolates were distributed. Whom to distributed? The number of friend to whom chocolates were distributed. 3 members to she distributed. To each friend she distributed. How much she distributed in each friend to? Each member to 5 she distributed. The division form is 15 by 3 equals to 5. So what does the result of division indicate? So 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. What is the result? What does the result of division indicate? 5 is answer. Okay. Next one. 3 people can sit on a bench. How many benches are needed for 21 people to sit? So total number of students, how many? 21. So each bench can sit. How many members can sit? Each bench to 3. So number of benches. So how many benches will need? So how many times will subtracting? So children, you know tables. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. So here we'll write 7. Number of benches we needed. How many benches we needed? 7 benches. 7 benches. So the division form 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. 21 by 3 equals to 7. What does the result of division indicate? What does the result of division indicate? See children, here in the first problem, each friend she gave to each friend. How many chocolates did she give to each friend? How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. Each friend get. 5 chocolates each friend get. Here, what does the result of division indicate? So, how many benches are needed to 21 people to sit? 7 benches are needed. 7 benches are needed. Next one. Ramya has 48 sheep. He distributed them to his 4 sons equally. How many did each son get? 48. See here, number of sons. How many sons? 4 sons. Each son got how many sheep? How many sheep? How many times? 4 times. 4 will subtract, will do. How many times? Here some logic is saying I am. See here. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 8. 4 twos are 8. See children here, 12 times. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 12 sheep. So the division form 48 divided by 4 equals to 12. So the result of division shows 12 sheep each son get. Okay children, completed? Okay.